friends! It's Halloween time! Let's count some spooky and funny Halloween friends together! 1 orange pumpkin smiling at you. 2 happy ghosts floating in the sky. 3 purple bats flapping their wings. 4 tiny spiders dancing on their webs. 5 colorful candies, yummy and sweet. 6 little witches flying on brooms. 7 funny hats with stars and moons. 8 pumpkins glowing in the dark. 9 cute skeletons shaking their bones. 10 shining full moons lighting up the night. Wow, that was spooky fun. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, friends!